of the Lord. May the name of the Lord be blessed, both now and forevermore.
Praise the Lord, who raises the poor from the dust.
High above all nations is the Lord, above the heavens His glory. Who is like the Lord our God, who dwells on high, who lowers Himself to look down upon heaven and earth.
Praise the Lord, who raises the poor from the dust.
From the dust He lifts up the lowly, from the ash heap He raises the poor, to set them in the company of princes, yes, with the princes of His people.
Praise the Lord, who raises the poor from the dust. Praise the Lord, who raises the poor